Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and raise your hand on your Microsoft Teams account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So as you can see, I'm already in a meeting. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it right away and then go to another browser. So first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into teams.microsoft.com, just like that. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And finally, once you've logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply go ahead and create or join a meeting. So I'm just going to go ahead and join a meeting for now and then just allow for this time. All right, now once I've already joined a meeting, all I need to do in order to go ahead and raise my hand is going to be clicking this raise hand button on the top, or just click Ctrl+Shift+K, and it's going to simply go ahead and raise my hand to all the people that have hosted this call. They can simply go ahead and spot me, and then they can simply go ahead and let me talk. So it is as simple as that. I can simply click on it again to lower my hands. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.